Hey guys, it's Luke with New Outlook. I wanted to make a quick video today about a question that I get asked a lot when people call in, and that is, should I go with pavers or stamped concrete? And first of all, we don't do stamped concrete, we do pavers and retaining wall block. So if that's an option that you're dead set on, we're not the contractor for you. But if you want pavers and retaining wall block, we definitely are. So just a couple major points and differences between like stamped concrete versus pavers I wanted to go over with you today. So we're out here on a project that we're finishing up here shortly, and we added on to this patio project. So let's start with concrete. With concrete, the pros of concrete are installation is probably going to be faster. It's going to be less expensive. It still looks nice. I mean, I have nothing against stamped concrete. It looks good if that's the look that you're going for. Couple kind of cons against concrete is it does have the potential to crack over time. Pavers are not going to crack. It's a flexible system, so if any movement does occur, which it really shouldn't because we build these patios in the base underneath properly, it's not going to crack anything because of all the joint lines that run through. As far as adding on to a project or repairing a project, say you drop like something really heavy on one of the pavers and you crack the whole paver. All you'd really need to do to fix that would be to pull the paver out, put a new one in, and you're done. If it was concrete and you cracked it, or there was a hairline fracture the whole way across the pad, the only way to really fix that is going to be to jackhammer the whole thing out and replace it. The next thing with pavers, if you're adding on, this is an add-on project, so you can kind of see how the pavers are a little bit different shades. They are the same color. We just happened to seal this side when we installed it, and we're not quite done with this, so I'm sure we're gonna seal this after we're all done, and it'll all match together and blend. So if you ever wanted to add on or change concrete, you can kind of add on to that. If it's a curvy kind of a scenario, it's going to be a lot harder to add on and make it look nice, but if you use pavers, you can make it blend and make it look like it never even happened. So pavers are going to be a little bit more expensive. It's a lot more craftsmanship involved with all these cuts. Laying each block takes a lot more time to install, but it looks really nice. We can do cool things like different color accents around the edges. We can do this inlay. We changed the direction of the bond lines to a 45 degree and put some extra banding around this. This is called an inlay. So you can do stuff like that. Put a little bit of banding in the walls, which looks really nice. So I hope that kind of answers some of your questions as you're debating on whether you want to go with stamped concrete or pavers.